Jojoba oil is gradually favored by women for its kind-hearted properties and incredible advantages for the skin. Here, you can discover the jojoba oil benefits for skin and how to utilize jojoba oil for skin. Jojoba oil contains a lot of vitamins like A, B, C, D, E, and it has excellent antioxidant ability to provide a lot of benefits to the skin. Also, jojoba oil has a texture similar to that of human skin. So jojoba oil is exceptionally benign when used and is favored by many women. Jojoba oil benefits for skin. 1. It helps to hydrate the skin. Women are regularly apprehensive that utilizing oils to moisturize the skin, as they will stop up pores, the skin winds up oily and gathers progressively soil. Be that as it may, jojoba oil has a surface like the skin's normally happening oiled sebum, so it won't leave the skin secret. With a light, liquid texture, jojoba oil instantly hydrates the skin without moisture. So, jojoba oil can use as a moisturizer in your skincare routine. Jojoba oil can moisturize very well, moreover makes the skin more elastic and shiny than visible. 2. It helps in delaying skin aging. Jojoba oil, in addition to providing hydration to your face, will also help you to stay younger for longer. It contains vitamin E, which fights free radicals that cause premature skin aging. Research has demonstrated that antioxidants will advance collagen blend. Subsequently, the cell reinforcements in jojoba oil will decrease the presence of wrinkles and hinder the maturing procedure. Additionally, because of its brilliant saturating capacity, the skin will likewise have greater flexibility. It will limit the plausibility of wrinkles and improve drooping skin. 3. It helps to treat acne and heals acne scars. Jojoba oil has anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, and soothing properties. The natural vitamin E found in jojoba oil helps to speed up the bonding process between skin cells when the skin is damaged. Therefore, jojoba oil is particularly useful in the process of treating acne and healing acne scars. However, if you have severe acne, do not use jojoba oil on your own, but you should consult your doctor to treat acne on the skin more effectively. At the same time, jojoba oil only supports the healing of acne scars. 4. It helps to soothe sunburns. Sunlight can cause dehydration, causing peeling and dull skin. Research shows that vitamin E, when combined with antioxidants, protects the skin from the sun. Jojoba oil has both of these nutrients, so it is excellent for soothing the symptoms of sunburn and helping to even skin tone. Besides, we should use sunscreen and carefully shield when going out to limit the harmful effects of sunlight on the skin more effectively. 5. It helps to clean the skin. Another way to use jojoba oil on the face is as a cleanser, as it is excellent for removing the traces of makeup softly and naturally. It is a natural cleanser, chemical-free, and entirely safe for your skin. Also, it will not cause dryness like other products and can use on any skin. 6. It helps for oily skin. Oily skin requires specific care to prevent acne from forming. Following a daily routine of cleaning and hydration is essential, but it is also necessary to know very well what products we can apply. Having oily skin may seem odd to use an oil such as jojoba, but unlike other oils such as coconut or argan, it is very soft, it permeates the skin, nourishes and calms it. You can try putting face masks with jojoba oil and other ingredients to see how it improves, and it looks cleaner, hydrated, and beautiful. How to use jojoba oil for skin. As a makeup remover. Wet makeup remover with jojoba oil and then spread it over the face to remove dirt. Focus on areas like eyes and lips if you wear makeup. Use cleanser to clean the skin more deeply. Continue to the next skincare step. As a moisturizer. Cleanse skin with makeup remover, facial cleanser, and toner. Add 3 to 4 drops of jojoba oil to your palms and rub until warm. Gently rub palms over the face and do a circular massage to allow the oil to penetrate. Use it in the morning and evening. Thanks for watching.